Hi guys, today I want to make a video on cleaning my 2014 Toyota Corolla AC evaporator. So I researched online. Most of the videos that are available needs to jack up the car and locate the evaporator hose on the bottom of the car, which is a problem for me because I don't have a jack to lift up my car. So today I'll show you how to clean the evaporator without using a jack to lift up your car. And the product I'm using today is Odor eliminator that I purchased from AutoZone. This thing costs about $5.99 before tax, and it's one of the lower end available on the market. So without further ado, I'll start my video. So to begin, I first remove my glove box compartment. I release the tab over here, and like most Corollas, the glove compartment is fairly easy to remove. You can see you squeeze it a little bit to release the sides here, and then you just pull it out, put it aside, and then that gives you access to the fan motor for the AC. The next part that you want to remove would be this piece of plastic down here that is holded in place by these three tabs. One located here, another one in the middle, and the third one over here. It's fairly easy to remove if you know where the tabs are. Alright, so removing this, I'll set it aside, and then that gives you access full access to the inner carpet here. So what you want to do is locate the end of the carpet, give it a pull, and what you'll find here is the hose for the AC evaporator. So next, you want to pull it out. Oh, before you pull it out, you want to make sure that the water doesn't wet the carpet inside here and leave a terrible smell. You want to put a cloth or maybe a piece of plastic to protect. Pull out this AC hose over here. Now this gives you access to the evaporator. Next, I'll be taking this product here. So I've already done it earlier, cleaning my evaporator. This product actually comes with this hose, this attachment. You can just fit into this rubber hose from the evaporator. Okay, so I've attached the hose from the evaporator cleaner to the hose from the evaporator. Now, I'm just gonna give the evaporator cleaner a good shake. And according to the directions, it says give it a spray for about 15 seconds. So I'm gonna count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That should give the evaporator a good amount of evaporator cleaning. And I'm just gonna leave it there for 15 minutes. Alright, so 15 minutes has passed now. So I'm gonna release the hose from the evaporator cleaner from this rubber hose. So when you release, you want to be careful because fluids might be gushing out. So you just want to do it quickly. Make sure that the hose is on the cloth so that the liquid doesn't spill all over your cup. So, okay, I'm gonna very quickly put it back into this hole on the floor here, where the hose is supposed to get out. At the bottom of the cup, okay, you can see the cleaning fluids starting to come off. So you may want to put a drip pan just to make sure that it doesn't contaminate the place or dirty your garage if you're doing it in a garage. And now you want to start your car. Turn the AC on to full blast. Turn on the air circuit. Make sure that the temperature is low. Thank you very much for watching my video, and if you like, please press subscribe.